and welcome to English Tips with Eddie. All you ever wanted to know about learning English and more. Today, the apostrophe, how to use it. We use the apostrophe to form possessive nouns, show the omission of letters, indicate plurals of letters, numbers, and symbols. To form possessive nouns. Singular nouns. The owner's car, the shop's window, the dog's toy, James's hat. Add apostrophe s even if the noun finishes with an s. The shop's window. Plural nouns. The children's room, the people's choice. Add apostrophe s if the noun doesn't end with an s. The house's roofs, the parents' meeting. Add just an apostrophe if the noun finishes with an s. The house's roofs. Pairs, groups, compound nouns. Katie and Adam's wedding invitations. Golf ball's producer. Add apostrophe s to the last noun in a group to show joint possession of an object. Katie and Adam's wedding invitations. To show the omission of letters. In contractions, a letter or a couple have been omitted. The apostrophe marks that omission. I am becomes I'm. You will, you. He or she is or has, she or he, she's, his. We are, we're. They had or would, they'd. Not is often contracted to did not, didn't. Be careful not to make these mistakes. Its is not the same as its. We looked at the bird and its house, the bird's house. It is a tree, not a bush. It's a tree, not a bush. Your is not the same as your. This is your car. The car belongs to you. You're wrong, I'm afraid. You are wrong. This is your car. His is not the same as his. This is his dog. The dog belongs to him. He's clever. He is clever. This is his dog. Their is not the same as their. This is their problem. The problem belongs to them. They're in trouble. They are in trouble. They're in trouble. The apostrophe is also used in such contractions: rock and roll, fish and chips, rocking, fish and chips. Please remember, contractions are used in informal writing and in speaking. Do not use contractions in any formal pieces of writing. To indicate plurals of letters, numbers, and symbols. Plurals of letters. He got 2 A's on his English exam. He got 2 A marks on his English exam. He got 2 A's on his English exam. Here is one. A+, in fact. Plurals of numbers. There are 3 4s in my telephone number. There are 3 numbers that are each 4 in my telephone number. And here it is, 0898 444 or 444 5621. There are 3 4s in my telephone number. Plurals of symbols. There are too many question marks in your sentence. You can use the symbol or the word question mark. For more information about the use of apostrophe, as well as more punctuation practice, please check the link in the description below. Thank you for watching and see you again soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, and leave your comments below. Bye!